Well friends, in this video we'll see another A of Alcoa principle, that is accurate concept. What is meant by accurate? Data recorded shall be accurate data. Accurate, whatever result you got, the same data you have to record. Now whatever result you got, that is accurate. How it is established in the organization? What is meant by accurate? For example, now you perform any work on the equipment instrument or on any method, you use any software, whatever data you getting by this, that data is accurate. How it is? You are seeing a temperature display. In it is showing a temperature as around 25 degrees Celsius. How do you say that that temperature is accurate temperature? Right? Now another example, you are using a pH meter. You observe pH as, for example, say 6.8. How do you say that the result what you got 6.8 is 6.8 itself, that is accurate itself? Right? Another example let us take. You are weighing on a weighing balance. You see weight as around for example 10.1 kg. Now the 10.1 kg what is shown in the display is exactly the 10.1 kg what material you have kept on that. How you say that is accurate? Right? Another example let us take. You are performing a titration. Burette reading you are getting as a 8.6, for example. 8.6 is accurate. How you say that? Right? So these are the data when you perform any work you are getting. Whatever data I am getting, the same data I need to be recorded because that data is accurate. Now how the system is designed, system is implemented in the organization so that all data I am getting is accurate. Let us see that. Whatever examples I have quoted, see that is one by one how it is ensured. To ensure accurate of a data, all equipment instruments are qualified. The equipment instruments that are used in the organization are qualified. And as per their frequency, time to time, they are calibrated also. So all equipment instruments are qualified and calibrated. So thereby whatever data I am getting that by that equipment instrument, that is accurate. Clear? All methods, whether it's a procedural method or analytical method, all methods are validated. So whatever reading, whatever data, whatever result I am getting by following that method is also accurate because it's a validated process. Now whatever software I am using in the organization, all softwares are also validated. So thereby whatever data I am getting by that software, that is also accurate. These are the three main systems that we operate in day-to-day organization. That is, either we use equipment instrument or we use methods, maybe instrumental method or manual methods, and we may use certain softwares for the processing of the data. So now equipment instrument is calibrated, qualified, method is validated, and software is also validated, and the person, that is the employee who is using this equipment instrument, methods and software is qualified. Right? Along with that, that person is also trained in so and so activity. So thereby a qualified person, a trained person who uses either equipment instrument or a method or a software for any work, by virtue of his or her work, whatever data is generated, that data is accurate. So therefore we have to record that data. whether it is right or wrong. Whatever result I get by my work, I have to report that data compulsorily because that data is accurate. Clear what is meant by accurate? So that's why in the data integrity definition itself it is said recording of a data without any manipulation, without any falsification, without any alteration. Why? Because whatever data I am getting, that is coming by a specified system, established system, equipment, instrument, well qualified and calibrated. Data is coming by a method which is validated. Data is coming by a software on so and so equipment, instrument, which is also validated, and the qualified and trained person is performing that work. So thereby that data is accurate. So that data should be recorded without any manipulation, without any falsification, without any alteration. That is what meant by accuracy, either in paper system or in electronic system. In paper system, whatever data we get, that should be reported. In electronic system, whatever data is getting generated in the electronic system, that should be along with the date and time, date stamped and time stamped. At what time you have performed the activity, at what date you have performed the activity, that should be seen in the equipment, instrument, which cannot be changed. So thereby which suggests accuracy of the date. Clear? If you have any question or doubt, please put in a comment box. Let us discuss on that further. Thank you.